tomato rice soup or pumpkin tomato rice soup casserole or pumpkin tomato rice soup bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the steamed rice recipes and one of the most unique of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the steamed rice recipes. We're going to make pumpkin tomato rice soup. We have taken around 100 grams of brown rice, 50 grams of pumpkin, 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 8 to 10 shallots, around 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, 15 grams of ginger, and around 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. In 10 ml of oil, put in the cumin seeds and the fennel seeds, salt thoroughly, keep on sauteing. Put in the shallots and the garlic and the ginger and salt. Heavily salt and mix. Keep on sauteing. Put in the pumpkin pieces. Salt and mix the pumpkin pieces thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder and a spoon of chili powder. Salt. Keep on sauteing. Putting the brown rice. Mix Saturday. Pouring around 300 ml of water. Mix. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture boil and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Cooking for the required time. Open. Put in some curry leaves. Mix. Let this mixture cook for a minute. Pumpkin tomato rice soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final pumpkin tomato rice soup, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pumpkin recipes and one of the most unique of the rice soup recipes and one of the most different of the steamed rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.